Lately I've been staring at the dark. Turn my inner demons into art. Struggle with the pain inside my heart. Wish I didn't care about what they say. What you want to say, what you want to say, what you want to say, what you want. Say what you want to say, 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 what you want no one.
Good morning. Good morning. Check. Check. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, traders. Hope everybody's doing well. I just smashed one in on gold, so gold's looking okay to buy here. I should probably get a couple more in. I just have 2 contracts. Just getting right into this, man. Just sat down. I'm already getting right into this. Powerhouse in the house. Let's get right into the charts, man. Gold, just a continuation setup here on the 4 hour. Kind of came down into the zone I'm looking. A little bit early. I'm probably gonna add a bit more to this. Probably one more I can add. I don't want to have more than a $200 stop. Really just kind of looking for backup here. See what happens. It still might. The gold short is probably going to be here, right? So that's what I'm looking to take a ride back up to that. I'm probably gonna enter a couple more in here as it gets a little closer here. One more right here. Can do one more, and that'll be it. $200. I'm already at the max. Won't do any more than that. I don't want to have stops more than 200. It's already kind of a big stop. Really just trying to get back up to here. So we'll see. I'll be taking profits as I do on the way up. Kind of what I'm thinking. See if this pans out today. Yeah, it's about right. This top one should be a little bit lower, actually. This one, yeah, that's about right. This first one's just kind of a scalp, so that'll be good. And then these two should be right here. That's kind of it. That's kind of it. So 4. Yeah, 4. All right. Let's have a look. Powerhouse. How are you doing today? Euro Swiss. Good gain. Yeah. Missed this first one, but this still looks okay. I can't see the bigger picture. This is only on a 3 minute, so I don't know. I don't put too much weight into the 3 minute charts. But yeah, still looks okay. Maybe have the stop a little bit lower. Yeah, man. Let's get it today, man. This is kind of just catching a knife here, but we're in a pretty good spot for it to bounce, I think, anyway. A little bit early on it. I should have really waited for this. But it's okay. Anyway, we'll keep an eye on that. Keep an eye on that guy. Hopefully she goes well today. What else we got? We got oil gaining too. Close to the level. Let's see what's going on here with oil. Yeah, look at that. See the value gap here? They tagged it perfectly and then they gained off it. This trade's underway already, kind of. They didn't really give a super good entry here on this side, but they did gain it and they did retest it. So over here, I'd be waiting now for, like, if they do an M, you know what I mean? One of the M's. Like if they do this, down, this, and then down. This would be the only trade that I do here, just because we've missed this, right? The trade really was to take this fair value gap here. I had it marked, but they might still go down. We'll see. Kind of missed it though. Missed it a bit. Just missed it, but missed it nonetheless. Okay. Let's have a look at these guys. Let's have a look at your powerhouse. What is this? The gold short on 15. You know, they didn't really fail it until here, right? I can pull up the gold chart again. They didn't really fail it until here, right? So the short is still going to be in play, and there's still where this line is going to be where it is, right? This is the fair value gap. Now you could have took pot shots at it up here and played this, right? But you know, that's just everything in hindsight seems you coulda, woulda, shoulda, right? But it's not really good to take these trades, and if you do, you need to have super tight stops, because a lot of times they don't work, right? So you need taking trades off of this before this fails, not the best idea. So really, I'm just trying to get longs from here, and I'm trying to get to that. That's the first point of resistance, really. So all my targets are before then. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully. Be cool to have three banger days in a row. Not banger days, but profitable ones. You're thinking that. I mean, like you're taking if this trade here, you're taking this trade before it fails, right? So that's just more risky. You need to wait for a failure, always, unless you're playing a lower time frame. Maybe it had a failure on a lower time frame. I can look again. Let's check the 5 minute. So this would be the failure, and it didn't even touch it. So yeah, the trade that you had outlined is the 5 minute failure. So this is the 5 minute failure mark, and this is the gap right here. So yeah, they could even still come up and do that and then fail it. But taking trades here before they fail the 15, I really don't pay too much attention to anything lower than a 15. Unless I'm playing like a 1 minute breakout scalp. But the trade that you outlined on the 15-minute chart, that is a valid trade. It's the 5 minute one. And this is definitely an untested level. It's the untested 5. The 5 minute failure. Should actually mark it. Oops. Have a look at these other charts, man. Bitcoin continued lower. Yeah, we kind of had a feeling that was going to happen. You know, if it does start gaining down here, this is a decent spot to be trying, at least for I still think it's going to go a little bit lower, man, honestly, but they could hold something down here. At least for an interim run, and maybe take the liquidity up here and then dump it. There's still this up here that's kind of untested. This here, gonna have my eye on that zone for a short. So we'll see if they start gaining anything here. Let's have a look at ETH. ETH is not quite in the area where I wanted it yet. Not quite there. Not quite. Added a couple more to gold. That's it though. It's $250 stop. That's it. Cannot have more. We should look. There's probably numbers coming out here. I'm a little late to the party here today, yeah? Let's just pull it up on this so I can see it. Yeah, we got numbers at 10 o'clock today. There's already been numbers at 7. Crude oil at 10:30. So keep an eye on that. Probably some market volatility happening around 10:30 for sure. Crude oil. Usually that usually gets some numbers pumping. So let's have a look at oil too, if crude oil numbers are coming. This isn't a spot to pump it, man. It's too bad we didn't get into a long here. This is a good area to long it. Well, it's too bad. Yeah, they could come down a little bit lower though. We'll see. if they do come down a little bit lower, I would be pretty keen on taking along on some kind of a setup to see. Keep an eye on that one for sure. I might get pretty volatile today because of the numbers coming out. A little bit of a pump in gold. Just gonna push one of these off right now. I'd like to see a little bit of a pump here, man. Really. Gonna market one out, another one right out. Go. 4 left. I'll market one more out. Okay, we got 3 left. Those are the targets up there. Moving the stops up. It's a little bit better as a $43 stop. I think I took enough for and mitigates it a bit. 17 bucks. I might leave this down, man, because I do think that this is a good area for it to go, you know? Still pumping. I'm gonna try to hold some positions today instead of just fucking scalping everything out early. You know how I do. It's kind of all I see, really, though. For now, anyway. Just gonna refill my vape. Be right back. All right, back in. Looks like gold's still tanking. Might take a couple more here then. See if it holds this bottom range. At least it's only $150 stop now. Should see a bounce here, at least a little bit. Shit, Powerhouse, I think I banned you. God damn it. Oh no, 0 mod actions. Should be good. Gold acting pretty freaky. Might be looking at a stop here. Oil, a little bit of a pump. A little bit of a pump. Making some money today, and I wish I would have got in on oil, man. I think this thing's gonna just blast off, dude, when those numbers come. So how are all you guys doing today? Everybody making money? Is the chat even working? Peel one off here. Gonna peel another one. All right. Might be a stop out coming here. We'll see. 5 long again. Might have something on Russell soon. It's kind of it though. It's really not much to do here. Oil's the only, or gold's the only thing that's moving. Oil's moving a bit too. Out of the ones that I watch. Oh, this looks like it's gonna tank. I don't like how it came that. I might flatten this. I don't like how low it came, really. Hanging in there. Oof. Not good. Gold, I think, underneath here now. We'll be looking for a short. If we get back up into this range. Kind of sucks to take a stop there. At least I mitigated it a bit with a couple profit targets, but still kind of stupid. Should have flattened it when I had the chance. See, just goes to show you, I shouldn't catch these fucking falling knives out of nowhere. So not too much to do now. I just need to wait for something to gain on anything. Oil looks like it's just going to continue down. Had a pretty good failure here. It did hold this area. Kind of mixed signals. I'm just going to move these back off the screen here. Try to get into a couple more trades. Try to get positive on the day. Yeah, really, I don't really like this, where the market is right now for anything else. So we will just sit and wait, I think. This is done, so I cannot take this. This looks kind of promising over here. We'll see if we get a gain above this and then a retest close to the zone. A little bitter about gold, so looking for a revenge trade on that now. Gold's dumping pretty hard. See what happens. I will try. I do want to get back into a position in gold long. It's okay though, you know, sometimes this stuff just doesn't work out. Below here, I think, would be my guess. Might try a pot shot at it. Put some trades down here in this order gap. Stop there. Might be okay. What's that stop worth? $50. Really shouldn't be trying to catch this knife again. We'll see if it gets down that far though. Be crazy. Bitcoin gains too. It looks okay. Have to wait and see. Everything is kind of wait and see now, because this stuff is all tested here already. So it's not. This isn't really the best situation for taking longs here. This has already been tested right here. So you know. I don't think it'll get down there. This is scary. Pretty big dump. We got the oil numbers in 1 hour, so that's gonna make things go fucking nuts. So I'll probably stick around until then, see if we can get filled on something, and then call her a day again. Russell looking like it might gain. It did make new lows here too. So this is going to be a valid setup here for Russell if it gains this. So we'll see. Be one to take a trade on. Are you in any trades, Powerhouse? So liquidity grab coming up here on NQ. See a little pop to the upside probably. Hey, gold, you really fucked me, didn't you? Fuckers. Yeah. All right, boys. Let's try to get something going here, man. All I have is gold. That screwed me. Not good today. You son of a bitch, gold. Really? I hate you. Trying to hold this. Where's the short on this guy? It's kind of been done, right? It was done there. This is the only thing that's left. All right, here's the market open. Let's see what we get. Just need to wait and see what's happening here, right? If they gain this and it's decent, then we'll take some longs here. Not looking too promising. Not looking very promising, guys. Pretty big dump off the failure, off the gain attempt. New lows. All right, this is still the area to gain. Anything here we can buy? It's hard, right? We're headed down a little bit more here with this guy. Gold trying to hold it now. Gold trying to hold it. And then oil also close to a gain. Might have some action on oil. Put these charts like this so I can see what the hell's going on. All right. Oil looking like it's trying to gain here. This was a really good area to buy it. Oil's gaining here, but it's not really leaving much to you know, to bounce off of. It already kind of did it, so not the best setup. Really, the play to take would have been to buy this, obviously. All right, this happened before I got to the computer. For oil, it makes it a little bit more difficult now because they're not really giving a clean setup. All right, Russell trying again. We'll see. This could be one that we take. Russell's the only thing that I see that's half decent. We'll have to wait for the new candle. See if it actually gains this proper. We'd be targeting up here, would be the main target. Really good move. Nice volume. We'll have to see what happens though. You need this candle to close and the next candle. Gold dumping again. We'll see if we can get to our target, or if we can get to our entries here on gold. Big dump on gold. Looks like it's gonna make new lows, new local lows. A sneezeville on most of these, man. Gold's still dumping. See, pretty close to an entry here on gold. Let's see if we get it. Just off screen. All right, Russell continuing. See if it can clearly gain this level. It would be pretty good. You know, let's mark this out here too. Couple areas to watch to the downside. Kind of want it to hold above there, right? And the market could get wild at 10:30, right? So even if it runs a bit, it's okay because the market could get fucking wild here at 10:30. Make sure you guys are using stops or be out of the market before 10:30. Gold makes new lows or double bottom. New lows. We're close. Looks like Russell petered out there. Not the best. Keep an eye on this off screen. Larry's screen's getting too cluttered here, boys. All right. Interesting. Interesting, yeah. Interesting. Bitcoin close to a gain too. Bitcoin, I think, needs to go a little bit lower though, really. That's interesting, man. It's interesting. All right. Russell attempting to gain here again. Let's see if we can do it. Need to close out this 15. A little bit higher than this, or it's going to be a no-go. Probably just gonna dick around here, man, until 10:30. I bet. And then probably like a big dump and a big pump. Something like that. Check Discord. Oh yeah. Honestly, Powerhouse, I banned you by accident. Sorry, bro. You'll have to watch on YouTube for now until I figured out how to unban you. My bad. There was another guy that came in because the Twitch chat is working. You know. Oh, maybe not. I think I banned you just in the software here. One sec. I'll figure it out. Because it's working in there. I'll get this sorted out. There was because all these people come in here all the time, man, and like they you know, I just need to ban people like daily, right? And I hit your name by accident. Just do it on YouTube for now. I'll have to figure it out. I don't know where exactly it is. Filtering messages. Ignore list. Yeah, here it is. Boom. Okay, you should be good to go. I fixed it. You want to try it on Twitch there? You should be good to go. I had you on the ignore list. No worries, brother. So Bitcoin, if this closes up here, this is leaving a fair value gap here to trade. I'll probably take a trade there. We'll see what happens. And then gold too. If gold gains, I'll move my trades up. If gold gains here, gains above this, I'll move my trades up. If they gain with, you know, gain with aggression and see what happens. Looks like Euro is trying to gain too. Oil had a pretty nice gain too. So, you know, this makes this really hard to trade when it's like this, a big candle like that. I'm going to be buying this block here. It's the only thing I really see that's worth it. This kind of sucks, man. I had this whole area marked out, right? These guys have gained at this point, but they're not giving you much to work with. This is the best setup I see right now on Bitcoin. Right here. But we need to wait for this candle to close. Once this candle closes, then this will be the area to buy. Stops here. Targeting above this for the main target. It's also a short here, so like there should be significant targets here too. Nice gain on Bitcoin. Very nice. Very nice. It's too bad. It's just hard to trade this, man, with a big wick like that. Just wanted to see what the stop is gonna look like. Should really get these all up to 2, man. These all on 2. Yeah, man. Now we're chilling and waiting. Bitcoin might fill this gap before it even gives us a chance to get into it. Waiting, hanging around. Gold pumping again. Didn't quite get to our level. Just took PT2. On what? Nice. Nice. That's huge. This is a great trade. I would be closing out the position there. But depends what kind of account you have. For me on the scalping 150k account, okay. That would have been me for the day already done. Gold looking like it wants to try to gain. Gaining for gold, maybe. We'll see. Fuckers didn't quite get to my level. Nice trade, Powerhouse. Let's go. At least one of us is making money today. Day's not over yet, though. What am I down? $80. Not a big deal. 10 to 15%. Yeah, good. It's the longest 15 minutes ever. I want to put orders here. What do you think about this Bitcoin trade? Not bad for a scalp, I think. I think it could be okay. Come back up to this area? Maybe. It's kind of what you look for. Oh, spread. Oh yeah, that's no good. I usually trade it on. I have an exchange. I'm on the Bybit. I have exchange there, but it's just easy to trade here, so I just trade it here sometimes. I have Ethereum here too. Is it making a play too? A little bit, not as much though. This needs one more candle. Yeah, this hasn't really gained yet. Yeah. Yeah, I think we at least take out these. And like possibly up here 67, yeah. Yeah, that's what I had to. This. A little bit before. Just need this candle to close, man. Buying right here. All right, gold did not gain again. Maybe one more push down. Hopefully we get filled. Euro, no gain again. All right. See if we can get filled here, man. It's kind of the outlook for this trade. We'll see if we can get it. What do I think about ETH? It didn't gain good enough, but it's probably going to follow the same suit as Bitcoin, whatever Bitcoin does. ETH didn't present the gain though. This is ETH here. You know, they gained a tiny bit, but not really. Not good enough for me. But it's like I said, it's probably going to go the same route as Bitcoin, right? I just take the trade on Bitcoin because the setup is a lot cleaner. All right, gold, another push down. Let's see if we can get filled here on our gold, man. Be awesome. Nice little revenge trade for the gold. You know, I wanted to get long here, man, but like it's so. I don't have my setup. You know what I mean? It's with this giant wick here. It fucked all this my setup. So hard for me. I thought about it already like 3 times to take longs here. Nice move on Russell. Should have took a long, man. What am I doing with my life, you know? All right, Bitcoin. Let's get me filled on Bitcoin and let's get me filled on gold. And let's just rip it and have a nice ripping day. All right, looks like I got filled with 2 on BTC. A little bit of lag here. A little bit of lag coming in. Gold tanking a little bit more. This is close. So that first one was the front run. You can still go a little bit further down. That was just the front run entry. Ooh, some selling coming in on the futures here. Might get some opportunities here in this is actually not a bad spot. It's kind of already done though, so that's why I'm not taking it. Really, this isn't bad. I might as well just get in a couple here. Stop so good. I'm gonna try a couple. Try a couple on the old on the old ES. More fills for Bitcoin. Let's see. This could be a banger of a day or a fucking shit show. Fully filled on Bitcoin now. Oh, stopped out on this. Really? All right, Bitcoin. Yeah, I don't really think that this holds, man. Really, I think this is headed down here. You know, this is so tested already. So kind of just missed the boats on those ones. All right, down $200 on the day. About 180. Not the greatest day. Yeah, come on, boys. Let's fucking make something here. Let's do something. We got numbers in 20 minutes. New low on gold. Getting pretty close to our entries here. Come on, gold. Let's get filled. Come on, gold. Get ES just barely stops me out and then holds it. Like, fuck you, you know? All right, those are gold orders getting filled. All right, gold. What are we gonna do here? Bring you over to the big boy screen here. Another attempt on gold. We got 2. 2 of 5. 3 of 5. 5 of 5. Okay, gold. Now, fucking bounce it. Just rip it one time. Just one time rip it. All right, you took the liquidity. Let's go. Ooh, big dump on Russell. Let's go, gold. Let's pump it. I'd like to see it get back up to here. Yeah, that's why I took longs on Bitcoin. I was probably a little early to do it, but it's fine. We'll see. Might get stopped out. Who knows? Oh, gold, come on. Don't do this to me. Just rip it. Rip it one time. Just rip it one time for me. Same with Bitcoin, rip it. Numbers in 15 minutes. Market volatility, 15 minutes. Do it, gold. Let's go. Gold and Bitcoin, just rip. $12 minutes till the numbers. 12 minutes. Oh, that's not what I like to see. Gold, I want to see you pump it. Maybe buy one more. Make it an even 6. Oof. Really, that's as far as I'll give it. That's as far as I'll give it, man. If I get stopped out and I lose $200, and I get stopped out and I lose $200. That's it. Just rip it one time. Yeah, it happens, brother. Break even's better than me today. I'm down. And if I lose these trades, I'm down a bunch. Right now I'm down 180. 200 around. And if I lose these ones, it'll be big losses. Like this will be another $300 loss. This will be another $200 loss. So it'll be a big losing day if these don't pan out. I mean, relative, I guess. Yeah, it's better to just wait for proper ones, man. Even the ones that I've taken today, like this one on gold is still, this one's risque for sure, but this is still an untested area, right? That it came down to, so that's why I still took it. This area is untested, so it should hold here. This top one should. We'll see if it does. Yeah. If you can stay break even while you're learning get it, perfecting it, then you're already ahead of the curve. Most people lose money furiously. So you're good. If you're still just learning and you're break even, that you're doing better than most. 7 minutes till fucking crazy numbers. I should put in some profit targets here too. Yeah, mouse. We're gonna sell here, 2 here, 2 here, and 2 here. See if we can get that. See if there's a pump. If there is, good. If not, oh well. I feel like I'm just gonna get stopped out before it fucking goes though. On this gold long. Son of a bitch. Can we just rip it one time? Oh, gold. Why didn't you pump it, man? Oi. Okay. Gonna miss the fireworks. 6 minutes. God damn it, gold. God damn you. It looks like a stop out is coming here for sure on gold. Fucker. Give it to there. Give it to there. That's it. Boy. 2 minutes until the numbers. Added a little bit to this gold long. It's gonna be a big stop now if it doesn't pan out. Thank God we saw a bump. Get ready to flatten positions here. Here's the numbers. Nothing? No craziness. I think I'm just gonna flatten this right here and just get the fuck out. Maybe not. Yeah, those last two didn't really. I shouldn't even have fucking took those. What was I doing? Mistakes. Mistakes, man. Mistakes. I'm gonna flatten this here, man. All right, at least we got some kind of profit in. Fuck. It's not too bad. Basically break even for the day. We'll see what happens with this Bitcoin trade. Just get this gold away from me. Really catching a falling knife. Like I'm just doing things that I teach not to do, and I do them anyway, you know. We'll see. ES made a new low here. Let's see if they can gain above this and create some kind of window for us to jump on. Bitcoin's still going, looking okay. Might re-enter gold here too, just a couple. Not so crazy. Had 10 contracts there, bit much. Bucket. Back in on gold. I'd like to try to get to here, man. Let's just leave these trades in, man. Here and here, you know. See if we can get into this, you know. Oh, gold, no. Oh, I hate you. Why did I get back in on that, man? Well, down 240 on the day. One more try on gold, I think. Well, we'll see if that works out. Hopefully. It's pretty shit trading for me today, man, really. Well, it didn't hold. This is why you don't catch falling knives, boys. Probably gonna flatten this position as soon as we get in profit. Oh God, I hate you. I hate you so much, gold. Good enough for a flatten. Stupid trade, really. Cool. So, not the best day. Down $250. Pretty stupid trade here on gold, really. This gold really kind of got away from me. Kind of revenge traded this a little bit. But what are you going to do, you know? You can't have great days all the time. Really, I really need to focus on not fucking catching knives ever. CES actually looks pretty good to go. There was hardly any movement for news. I ate it though on longing gold, trying to catch this knife. Stupid moves. Not the greatest day. Down $250. Brings me to about even on the week. Really, these trades that I did today on gold, looking back at this, was stupid. Really, like I didn't wait once for any kind of confirmation on this side. I'm just catching the knife on the way down. You know, really just not a good way to play. You know, the trade on Bitcoin was good. I closed it out because I'm leaving now. I'm gonna end it, so I can't have open trades. So made $100 there, but all the rest of that was just losing money on gold. Yeah, it just goes to show you, man, like you really should not be catching knives, you know? Even if you know what you're doing and you know what the areas are, you should not be catching knives unless it's, you know, the only knife catch you should do is the initial 15-minute gain. You know, catch this knife here, that's it. Or like up here on NQ, after it gained this, sure, you can take a stab at catching this knife here on a retest of this area because it left a big gap. But besides that, no. Gold really looks like it's just gonna tank now. I even took a couple stabs here at the end. Brutal. These giant knife catching days, man. I'm done with it. I'm done with it, man. It's not worth it. Yeah. So that's gonna be the stream for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you learned something. Don't forget to follow or join up to the Discord. The YouTube channel will be getting a fresh update. I'm gonna be starting to go through trades there and stuff, and put out a learning series. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, have a good one, Powerhouse. Thanks again for stopping in, man. Appreciate it. We'll see you tomorrow. Keep coming back, man. It's the only way to get good at this. All right, boys.